Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. When you see this live, this is your guy Ray coming to you live all the way from here. Wiz here, right here. Let me check what I got going over here. Make sure that I can be heard over here. You know, I've been having some problems. When you see this live, this is your guy Ray. Okay. I can be heard. All right, we're good over there. Let me get over here to the IG. Let me get over here. And then we'll get things going in 1 second. Okay. There we go. I'll fix that. Keep my hair going pretty good there. Alrighty. Good morning, everyone. This is your guy Ray coming to you live all the way from here. We're here right here. We want to thank you guys for tuning in. Let's tune in. Let's get some of this housekeeping out the way on our YouTube. Go to our YouTube channel, Silk Financial Network. Subscribe, hit the notification button, hit the like button, all that good stuff. Because we're trying to transition over here to our YouTube page. So go ahead over there and subscribe. If you're over here at Facebook land, just hit the share button, hit the like button, hit the notification button, and we're going to get this thing going. So listen, we've been talking about positioning for financial abundance. We talked about how to make money in your business. We talked about how to spend money in your business. And now we're talking about how to manage money in your business. A lot of this stuff that we're going to talk about this morning, we should already know. Knowing and applying is two different things. Let me get some other housekeeping out the way. Make sure you go to Silk Financial. Check out our business suite. Go to our website at silkfinancial.net. Check out our business suite. Our business suite entails all the good stuff. The three components of building your business, business development, personal development, and also building business credit. We're fully automated. Of course, if you look at our thing, we're one of the leading fintech companies in the nation under the umbrella of Nove. So listen, go check that out. Also, look, what else do I got here? I think I got everything taken care of. Okay, so let's get right with it. So today we're going to be talking about how to manage your money in your business. We're going to talk about three things: organizing the financials, tracking your income and expenses, and knowing your numbers. Now, these are basic stuff that we all need to be knowing, all should be doing. Hey, I got to be honest with you, especially as a new startup. New startups, it's not even businesses that have been in effect for 1 or 2 years. We know these things, but applying them is very hard. Listen, let me get a shout out to all my kingdom-driven entrepreneurs. You know, Silk Financial is really into that kingdom building business, right? Building your business through kingdom principles and kingdom economics. So let's get right with it. Let's start talking about organizing your finances, keeping your financial organization organized is one of the first steps in developing a money management process that is conducive to preparing for business overflow. Remember, we're talking about positioning for financial abundance, preparing ourselves for the overflow. A lot of people are making money now, but when that money comes in real fast, all of a sudden you find yourself discombobulated. You know what I'm saying? You can't keep up with the orders. You don't have the financials in place. So what we're trying to do here, especially, is just give you some foundational stuff, right? And if you come be a part of our incubation program or acceleration program, and I always hear this: what is the incubation program? What is the acceleration program? I never heard of it, so it don't apply to me. Yes, it does. Yes, it do. But anyway, keeping your finances organized is one of the first steps in developing a money management process that is conducive to preparing for business overflow. Some ways to keep the financials organized are to keep documentation of all income, which we know that, expenses and access. Have a dedicated file space or folder system for the financials, copies of sale orders, invoices, receipts, etc., etc. We know that. You know what I'm saying? Anybody that's, some, new starters might not know this. People that are in first or 2 years should know this, but you should know this because if you have a budget in your household, these are the things that you need to be doing. Now, here, if you currently have a relatively low volume of transaction, considering creating binders or creating electrical folders. Some things real simple. It doesn't have to be complicated. I know people don't use pencil and pads and all that paper no more, but you know what? When you're not doing a whole lot, you don't have to buy these expensive apps and all that stuff when you don't have the volume for it. Remember, we talked about how to spend your money in your business, investing where you are. Okay, investing where you are as far as pertaining to money. Paperwork wise, we want to make sure your paperwork is as if you're already a Fortune 500 company. But when it comes to using your money, investing in certain things, you need to invest where you are. So keep documentation in hard copy and electrical form. That's real important to keep it in the, you get audited, all that stuff. You had it on your system, you had it in the cloud, whatever that might be, but you need some hard copies. Some things just don't change. I'm telling you, some things about business just don't change. At some point, you're going to have to start running your business as a business. And I'm just trying to emphasize that to all my new startups, all my young entrepreneurs. To keep hard copy and electrical form. Ensure that all documents, such as receipts, mileage reports, takes note of important details: who, what, when, why, and where. Basic stuff. Listen, I be making a mistake because I've been in business, entrepreneur, business owner, going on close to 40 years, right? I make the mistake of just assuming people know this. I'm telling you, I make that mistake. So when I talk to young entrepreneurs, when I talk to new startups, I sometimes have a tendency to be shocked or at all when they don't understand the basics. And here's the thing. I didn't understand the basics when I first started either. So sometimes we older people, we just got to understand, we got to go where people are at, and I try to stay where people are at. That's why I'm so passionate about the incubation program. I'm so passionate about our business suite that builds you up with your structure, strategy, system, and sales. Our personal development with commitment, courage, capability, and confidence. So let's keep going. Keeping the finance organized is essential to running a business from an informed place. It also reduces frustration and stress during tax season. Let's talk about tracking your income and expenses. Tracking your income and expenses. There are financial transactions happening in your business every day. You either receiving payments for service or product, or paying out money for purchases you made or services you received. In business, there must be a systematic method for you to keep track of your income, expenses, and cash flow in your business. Like I say, it's easy to get these apps. You got so many apps out there. You got free apps out there. You got old accounting procedure, the books and stuff like that. A lot of young people might not know about that, but yeah, you can use. There's so many different things that you can use, especially with automation. That's why with our fintech program, fintech is how do you do financial transaction easily. So that's why we're a fintech company and why you need to understand about fintech. Daily transactions can be entered and tracked in an automatic low or no cost online accounting system. Real simple. It's really, really simple. Alternatively, you can use a spreadsheet program that is designed specifically for tracking. You can also use spreadsheets that you put stuff in, automatically populates its own self. Lastly, what we're going to talk about is knowing your numbers. I tell people all the time, how can you make business decisions if you don't know your numbers? You cannot make sound business decisions without knowing your numbers. As the owner, and manager of your business, it's your responsibility to know your numbers in your business. First thing I always ask people, let me see your financials. When they tell me how they price stuff, I ask them, where did you get the price? How did you get that number? A lot of times because somebody said, because I looked at the market and the market says it goes like this. But how did you get the number? That shows that you're making money. You can always be in the know of your numbers by frequent reviews, at least monthly, and utilization of financial statements, which, now, I didn't make this up, but I'm getting this from my Kingdom Driven Entrepreneurs Guide, Book to Fearless Business Finances. A lot of this where most of this stuff is coming from. All this stuff is coming from, really, and the stuff that I do, so mostly 50-50. It's referred to as BIC plus B. BIC plus B. What does that mean? BIC plus B means the balance sheet, B, income statement, I, cash flow, C, and budget. So that's BIC plus B. So we need to understand the balance sheet, the income statement, cash flow statement, and budget. Financial abundance. What's your financial abundance plan? If you go to our website, right? If you go to our, if you go to our YouTube page, I actually did a course on all of these: the balance sheet, income statement, cash flow statement, and the budget. The BIC plus B helps you complete financial health checkups on your business, such as profitability, cash flow needs, measures performance compared by your plan, goals, and objectives. All of this will assist you in making sound financial informed business decisions. That is so imperative. I don't know how much can I say to you guys that without knowing your numbers, how can you make sound business decisions when you don't know your numbers? So look, we're going to be out here tomorrow. We're going to be talking about creating a financial abundance plan. And then we'll get to some action steps. You want to stay with us, man. Listen, you want to just stay with us every day, be on this flow. We want to make sure, go to Silk Financial Network, know more about our fintech company. Look about our business suite. You want to talk about our business suite. Also, if you want to start building capital, our affiliate program, man, for the business suite, you get a 1,200 commission on everybody you sign up. And the good thing about our affiliate program, you have the ability to get the business suite for free. You also have the ability to get personal credit building for free as being a part of our affiliate program. So there's some things that you just want to check out. Okay, so look, this your guy Ray coming to you live all the way from here, where it's here, right here. Go. You know what? That's the website. You know what I forgot to put in? And I thought I did it. Let me give you guys my contact information real quick. Let me do this real quick. 919. And I thought I did this already. Go. All right. There's our contact information, 919-659-82. Let me close this up. All right, 919-659-8924, 919-659-8924. Our email is admin@silkfinancial.net, Hey, look, we're going to get ready to get out here. Look, this your guy Ray coming to you live all the way from here. Where's here? Right here. Hey, God loves you. Like we said, Silk Financial, God loves you and I love you. And guess what? Ain't nothing you can do about it. Peace out.